Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with yet another unboxing video. So today I am going to unbox my July Fab bag. So this month's bag looks like this, which gives me like a monsoon flavor. It is transparent, it is classic, and you cannot go wrong with a transparent pouch. So I really love this one. This one really screams monsoon for me. You can see some of the products here. So this month's bag is called the Glimpse and Glamour July Fab bag. We have 5 products in here and one of them is a bundle of 2 products. So let's get started with the unboxing. For the first item we have this bundle of 2 products. One is this Sugar Wingman Waterproof Micro Liner in number 1 I'll Be Black, and this is a felt tip liner, pen liner. I don't need to tell you anything about Sugar. I love Sugar as a brand and all their products are really high quality within your budget. And then with this we get a mini mascara which is called the Uptown Girl Lengthening Mascara in Black Beauty 01. So this is the combo of 2 products. I think this is going to last me for a good number of times and this is really handy for traveling. Although I'm not traveling right now, but this will be very handy for traveling. I was really in a dire need of like a felt tip liner and I got this one. I'm really grateful. I think the universe heard me, so I got this one. So the mini mascara is priced at $2.99 and the micro liner is priced at $4.99. The micro liner is a full size product and the mascara is a mini sample size. Next I can see this Monds Up Avocado Nourishing and Tendering Facial Mask. This is a sheet mask. I have used Monds Up masks before. I have used their eye patches, I think under eye patches. This actually helps in nourishing your skin. So this is a 20 ml product and this contains 1 sheet mask. Price of it is written on the card as $350 but the product pack says it's $250. In either case it is pricey, like it is really expensive I think for a sheet mask like this, but Monds Up masks are really nice. I really love them. So that's it. Next we have these 2 repetitions. One is the Chronocare Chrono Lip Ceramide Enriched Lip Balm, silicone and paraben free. Chronocare is a brand that I really love. I have tried their bath and body products and also their lip balm. I have tried this before. This is my second time getting a Chronocare Chrono Lip in my Fab bag. So I really love the smell of this. This smells really nice. Like I can't tell you what the smell is, but the smell is really nice. This is a full size product and the price is 245 rupees, which again makes it a really expensive one. And the second one is called Sirona Gold or Rock Soap. I have received this in one of my Fab bags before. I really love this one. This one smells really nice and it keeps your skin really soft and hydrated all the time. It doesn't give you that dry feeling after showering. This is a 50-gram product and it's a full size and the price is 190 rupees. And the last product is this mask from Sugar, which is really cool to include in your Fab bag in these times. Most of us have already used up all our masks and we are in need of a new mask, so Fab bag has included this one. I am really glad that they have done this, and this is from Sugar. This is given by Team of Sugar. This mask comes for 99 rupees. Last month I wasn't very happy with my Fab bag, but this month really made me happy because we got so many full size products and the products are really nice. Although I have received 2 repetitive products in this month's Fab bag, but I love both of them, so that doesn't make me sad or anything. I am already running out of my current eyeliner and I'm really excited to use this one. Not only because I am running out of the product, but also this is from Sugar and I really love Sugar's products. Their lip products, eye products, I love all of them. And like every month, Fab bag has kindly sent me a 10% off code for all my subscribers. So you can use this code right here to book your 3-month, 6-month and 12-month subscription bags. Just feel free to use my code to order your next purchase from FabBag. And that was it for this video. I hope you really liked the unboxing with me. Let me know which product excited you the most. Just comment down below and like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with all your friends and family. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, you guys be happy and keep smiling.